So you've purchased a download from Etsy, but how do you download it? Well, Etsy doesn't make that super clear, but here's how you get to it. Click on your account icon at the top here, second from the right, then hit the down arrow. Click on Purchases and Review. Find the item that you'd like to purchase. I can't buy my own stuff, but here's something I bought for my wife. And then click on the Download Files button. This will open a new tab. From here, you can download each of the items in your purchase. Click the download button, and this again will open the item in a new tab. If you don't see a notification that the item has downloaded, simply click on the save icon located right here. I hope that was helpful to you. Enjoy your new woodworking plans.